What's going on, guys? So today we're going to be talking about the history, the safety, and the uses of the PTO. For those of you that don't know, PTO stands for Power Takeoff Unit. So for the history, the earliest versions came out as early as 1878. They were highly experimental. It wasn't until International Harvester Company was the first to market them in 1918 when they rolled it off the production line with their Model 8-16 production tractor. The PTO went through many variations before it became what we know today as a live PTO. The modern vehicles are now often controlled, or the live PTO on modern vehicles are now often controlled by a push button or a selector switch, which increases the safety for the operator that is running the truck. The safety issues with the PTO. The PTO associated shafts in the U-joints are common causes of incidents and injuries. According to the National Safety Council, 6% of tractor-related fatalities in '97 in the U.S. involved a PTO. PTO engagements are one example of agricultural events that can lead to death or permanent disabilities, which is bad. And some designs employ light, free-spinning protective plastic guards to enshroud the PTO shaft and are mandatory in some countries. Now, the uses for the PTO, they have many applications, many of which most people see on a day-to-day basis, but they just don't think about it. A couple of the applications, there's running a water pump on a fire truck, operating a winch on a tow truck, raising the dump bed and lowering the dump bed on a dump truck, and operating the compactor on a garbage truck. In addition to all these applications, the PTO comes in two different variations. It's going to be the split shaft and the sandwich split shaft. The split shaft is mounted to the truck's drive shaft to provide power to the PTO and is designed to independently divert the engine's power to either the axle facing shaft or the additional PTO shaft. The sandwich split shaft is mounted between the engine and the trans and gets the drive directly from the engine shaft and can be capable of delivering up to the complete engine power to the PTO. Meaning, with the sandwich split shaft, as much power as you can put to the engine, you're going to get just as much power to the PTO. So it's a very, very useful device that's been invented and used for many, many years. And I don't ever see it going away. So that was just a quick little down and dirty with the history, safety, and uses of the PTO ever since 1878 to current day. Hope y'all found it good. See you later.